Hey friends, I wanted to take you along today as I use one of my Bible journaling templates that I have. We're going to start by cutting this one out around the lines on the printable. I like to leave a little tab where the scripture reference is so then I can use them again later if I want. I'm going to flip to Luke, find our verse, slip it under so you can see through your pages and line it all up. You could choose to use the world's smallest pencil, or I love the Tombow Fudenosuke hard tip brush pen. For the calligraphy look, you want to put down pressure on your downstrokes to get that thicker line and a lighter pressure on your upstrokes. You can do some practice versions of this, or you can just go for it. You can also trace exactly as you see where there's the thicker and thin lines. Don't feel bad if you have to go back and thicken up some of those sections where when you're writing you do the downstroke, because that's where we want it thick. And take out your template, and there it is. There's lots more versions in the shop. Bye!